Hi, I'm Peter Kuruvita. This is Marley Kuruvita. We're going to teach you how to make some cocktails using Dilmah tea. And the first one we're going to use is acai berry, pomegranate and vanilla. I told Marley all about how our mixologists actually infuse tea into alcohol. And so we've learnt that, and that is basically 2 or 3 tea bags into 300 mils of whatever liquor you would like, but generally white liquor or something that doesn't have too much flavor. And then in this stage, we're going to add vodka. And over the period of us making this cocktail, you'll see how tea infuses into liquor. This is what the brew looks like. It's a beautiful tea, absolutely lovely to drink. But when you put it into liquor and cold infuse for 45 minutes, you end up with something very similar. Look, already it's starting to brew. The color is slowly changing. So while I agitate that, Marley, what are you gonna make us?
So we're gonna make a French Martini. So first it's 1 shot of Chambord, which is a raspberry liqueur.
Yeah. The aromas are coming through.
And then it'll be 1.5 shots of the vodka and tea infusion.
So you can see the color of that already. It's really dark. And that's 45 minutes, cold brew.
And next will be a double shot of pineapple juice.
Nice. Pineapple juice is beautiful.
And then to give it a good froth, just about half a shot or roughly a tablespoon of chickpea juice.
So if you're a vegetarian, if you're a vegan, if you're a bit health conscious about using raw egg white, watch what chickpea juice does to a cocktail.
So then you top up your shaker with ice. Shake.
Looks good.
So then you serve French Martini in a Martini glass.
How frothy is that? That's amazing, isn't it? Better than an egg white.
Yeah.
Excellent, Marley. Well done. Well, there you go. You can do this at home. Cold brew your tea into white spirits or even dark spirits, and then you can make a cocktail like this at home. Well done, Marley. Good job. What are you going to garnish it with?
Just some rose petals.
Nice.
Some color.
Very nice. There you go. Simple, easy. Thanks.